In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan and zoom in TradingView. Start by opening your chart. Pick the market and time frame you want to analyze so you are looking at the data you care about. Once your chart is up, let's begin with panning, which simply means moving the view around. Click and hold anywhere in the main chart area. Then drag to slide the view left or right through time, or up and down through price. Keep your cursor inside the plotting area, not on the axis, so you don't accidentally change the scale. For controlled horizontal movement, hold Shift and use your mouse wheel. Scrolling with Shift pressed will move the chart left or right, without changing the zoom level. This is perfect when you want to scan through history or jump back to the most recent candles while keeping the same level of detail. Next, let's use the axes to fine-tune the view. Move your cursor to the bottom time axis. When you hover there, your cursor will change to a double-headed horizontal arrow. Click and drag to perform a drag zoom on the timeline, pulling outward to see more bars at once or inward to focus on a tighter window. This reshapes how much time is visible without changing the price scale, which is handy for fitting a pattern into view or opening up room to compare swings across days. Now look to the right price axis. Click and drag up or down to adjust the price scale. Dragging upward compresses the vertical scale to fit more price movement on screen. Dragging downward expands it for a closer look at smaller moves. This is especially useful when candles look too flat or too stretched, and you want a comfortable, readable view. When you are ready to zoom with the keyboard, hover your mouse over the part of the chart you want to focus on. Your zoom will center around that area. Hold Ctrl and press the up arrow to zoom in, revealing more detail bar by bar. Hold Ctrl and press the down arrow to zoom out and regain a broader perspective. Short taps give you fine control, holding the keys adjusts the view faster. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.